how to buy stuff on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can buy stuff on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy stuff on the Temu app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Temu application here. Now if you want to buy something, you can just select a product that you want to buy over here. Now it could be based on categories or whatever else you prefer here. Just select the product and then you want to simply add them to your cart. So select it here and just add the product to your cart after selecting a size and a quantity option. Then just tap the cart option from the bottom right. Make sure to check your products correctly here and then hit the checkout option. Now what you can do is just select continue to checkout here, and you can simply go ahead and basically add other products and then add them to your cart. Once you have done so, you can just select this option here and then add multiple products to your cart here. Once you select multiple products to your cart, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then check out your orders using a payment method. Once you've done that, you can simply enter your delivery details, your country and region. Then after it's done that, you would have successfully bought something on Temu app. This way you can buy stuff on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.